size actually matters or if it does not. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ai, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, we are testing a new curling iron that I am very excited to try. Why? Because one, I am a hairstylist, so everything or anything that makes my life easier as a makeup artist is always welcome to my life. And two, because I have pretty long hair, I feel that this curling iron will maybe cutting my time short when I curl my hair. The curling iron that I'm going to test out today is BIO IONIC. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But if you want to see how I curl my hair and for me to try this new curling iron, then I suggest you to keep on watching. And I know since you guys are going to probably ask me about what lashes I'm wearing, I am wearing Brocail lashes in the style Sunburst. These are my favorite. One of my favorite because I discovered a couple more in my past video. If you guys haven't watched it, then I'll leave it linked down below so you guys could go check it out. So what is so special about this curling iron, you may ask, is the length of it. It has a long barrel. It is very long. I will show you in comparison to my other curling iron, same size of thickness, but it is shorter. So this is my Conair curling iron. You'll see the difference with this one. So you see how much longer the barrel is. That is the reason why this curler caught my attention, and hopefully it cuts down my time in curling, because with this one it is just way harder to fit or try to fit my entire hair into this. Can you possibly still use it? Yeah, you could for sure. So hopefully we'll see if size actually matters or if it does not. The settings, it goes up to 430 in heat. Straightforward curling iron that I only have on my hair right now is some Moroccan oil just on the ends of my hair. Meanwhile, we wait for this iron to get, oh, I literally turned it on 30 seconds ago and it is hot. That's amazing. Also, I want to mention that no, I am not being sponsored by this brand whatsoever. All of my hair does not show in camera, so I'm going to try to show you how long my hair is. So this is how long it is. I personally just like separating the front parts. I'm gonna twist these over here, and I grab about inch thick sections, or from here I grab a little more because it's less hair on the bottom, so maybe about this much. So it's more than, it looks like more than an inch. So now I grab it, I put it on the side. Usually I'll put it in my mouth. Yep, that's me. But again, since I'm trying to look cute for this video, and I put lipstick and lip gloss on, and all I do is grab and twist out of my face. Oh, you see, that's already making a difference right here. By now I would have run out of space in my regular curling iron. It curled so fast. That was like 5 seconds. That is impressive. If you see a double chin, don't mind her. Let's act like we don't see her, you know? That is curly and fast. So from here, I don't do anything to it. I just put it to the back. So I feel that the actual test will be somewhere up here because the top parts of my hair are longer. Usually when I put my hair, I finish putting all my hair into the barrel, I wait like about 10 seconds to 15 seconds. For the most part, it's 15 seconds, and then I take it off. It doesn't matter. It's hot. It is hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, this is pretty long. I'm going to try to do this one way less of time than the rest. So once I'm done putting everything into this, I don't like that part. You see what it did? The hair came out. I don't know if it opens too much. I'm trying not to open the barrel too much or else all my hair slips out. That is one of the things that I've been encountering right now, but not too bad. All right, so now I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we let it go. That is so good. Right now I turned on my Conair so I could give you guys an overview, and I'm going to put it at 400, which is almost what I have it here, which is 390. That this one's still getting warmed up. This one takes to get warmed up. A couple more seconds and I think I will go ahead and try it. So I do the exact same thing. You guys are, I'm not, so you see how my hair is already chunked up in there. So what I do normally with this one to make it work is I first curl the top section and then let it loose and then curl the rest of this section, or let this part be on the heat longer before I move down to the rest. Like I said, it is good. This one is amazing, but it's that problem that I encounter, which is the fact that not all my hair fits in there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and I'll be right back when we do the front part. Okay, I'm done curling my hair. This is the top curl, and then this is the one that we did with the Conair curling iron. So I do the same thing with this section of my hair. It is the fastest part. Same process. I put it here. So far, so good. I'm really liking this. Except that part where it just falls out of the barrel. I don't know why. I feel that the way that the barrel is shaped at the bottom of it is not working out for me. But look, that was like 2 seconds being all in the barrel and it looks good. So I do have to mention that this curling iron is pricier than the average curling iron. So I feel that it is worth it if you're a hairstylist and you usually work with different type of lengths in hair. Not only that, but if you work with extensions, I think this curling iron is well worth it. Other than that, if you have about mid-length, should I say, or shorter hair, I think you could get away with the average size barrel. I haven't come across any long barrel curling irons in the past, so I wouldn't know if there's actually other brands that offer the length. You can also find this curling iron in Amazon. I'll have a link down below where you guys could find it in Amazon or in their direct website, and sometimes they have good sales going on, so you also want to just check that out and see if what sale works out best for you. I find myself doing this a lot, like grabbing the end of the hair strand and opening the barrel, just because it's coming out, it's popping out a lot, so I'm a little scared. Okay, let's do 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. For the top of my hair, I'm just gonna divide it in 2. Oh, I'm starving. That is awesome. let me go ahead and finish this side of the hair and I'll be right back. I'm done curling the front part of my hair, and let me tell you, it took 4 minutes on each side, so in total it was about 8 minutes plus the 13 minutes for each of the other side. So it was around roughly a 35-minute mark, which for my hair, and when I use this curling iron and this thickness of it, it takes me about 45 minutes to 50 minutes to curl my entire hair. So it definitely cut down my time shorter. That is huge for me because, you know, when we're trying to get ready, we're trying to do things fast and we want to get out, usually because we're running late or whatever, but that is not our fault. You cannot rush greatness. Anywho, time wise, amazing how it leaves the curls. You guys are seeing this. This looks awesome. I love my hair like this. This is so cute, but we're trying to do something less. So once it's cooled off, I like to spray, and this is a hold and control hairspray, meaning it's not supposed to leave my hair super crunchy. It's just a little bit of control in it, and it is from Sebastian. Now that that's done, I'm going to run my fingers through my hair. I want more of an effortless look, something just like this. But this is cute. This is cute, don't get me wrong. And voila! I really think this curling iron is well worth what I pay for. I highly recommend it if you have long hair, if you're a hairstylist and you work with a lot of different lengths of hair, if you work with extensions, if you yourself use extensions. I feel this curling iron will curl your hair so effortlessly. If you like what you've seen, give this video a thumbs up. It is always greatly appreciated. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. With that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry.